We are in talks with Hazim Bhangwar and Hazim एक छोटा सा गेम है आपके साथ हम करना चाहते हैं खेलना चाहते हैं प्लीज कुछ तस्वीरें मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा which is all you have to do is just comment on them.
Okay.
And I'm sure you guys you know these people.
Okay.
I hope that you do.
Hopefully, yes.
Let's see. Roll the first picture जी पहली picture दिखाइए. Mr. Bean.
Oh, an icon.
An icon.
An icon, definitely an icon.
Love his movies, right? Love his work.
Love everything about him. I think everybody loves him.
Oh,
Yeah.
That's very true though.
Everybody
very
loves
very
him.
true.
Yeah.
Mr. Bean को शायद ही कोई मतलब मैंने कभी आज तक नहीं देखा किसी को.
And without a dialogue.
हाँ, without a dialogue.
An
He's
icon,
amazing.
yeah.
He's amazing. अच्छा जी, दूसरा दिखाइएगा. Stallone. क्या बात है.
There's nothing I can say about him that'll do justice. The greatest action.
Of all times.
All time.
All times.
Yeah.
But that's very true. I think another Rambo is coming. Another
Is
edition.
it?
Yes, it
My
is.
mom will be happy.
I just saw. I think कल या परसों की बात है कि मैंने देखा था. I think it's Rambo 4.
I have no idea.
The Last Blood. It's called The Last Blood.
No idea what.
The
is
first one
coming.
was The First Blood.
Yeah.
And they're saying that that's the last
I have
edition.
no idea, but I'll definitely watch it. I'll try to watch it.
Okay. Roll it. दूसरा दिखाइए. दूसरा दिखाइए. Shahid Afridi. What can you say about him? Legend.
What can I say about him? Yeah, for Pakistan, he's definitely a legend. Yeah, a great cricketer.
True. आगे दिखाइए. Messi.
Messi. Messi. A fantastic athlete.
Do you like football? देखते हैं soccer.
I'm not a biggest fan,
Okay.
but yeah.
भाई ये कितनी बड़ी बात है ना कि even though you don't watch soccer or football,
Yeah.
you know whatever you want to call it.
Yeah.
लेकिन मेसी को आप जानते हैं.
Yeah, you see, just because आपको कोई चीज़ ज़ाती, it does not mean it's not good.
Of course.
You
of
know,
course.
you have to appreciate it for its
Of
being
course.
there. Obviously, like, you know, इतने fans हैं football के and soccer के. So no, I recognize him and yeah, I think he's a really good athlete as well.
Amazing. हाँ जी दिखाइएगा. सलमान खान.
Salman. Love his movies. I think इसकी एक मूवी थी हम आपके हैं कौन,
हम आपके हैं कौन.
जिसको देख के मैंने उर्दू सीखी थी.
Seriously?
हाँ, मुझे उर्दू इतनी अच्छी नहीं आती थी इन द बिगिनिंग.
अच्छा.
जब मैं छोटा था पाकिस्तान आता था तो हम आपके हैं कौन मैंने काफ़ी बार देखी कि मुझे
उर्दू आ जाए.
और फिर मैं वही डायलॉग्स बोलने लग गया था घर में. जितना तक हाँ सम हुआ हम आपके हैं कौन. सो या
Okay. आगे दिखाइएगा. फैसल कुरैशी.
a gentleman.
A gentleman.
I've met him and
True.
he's a gentleman. Yeah.
True that. हाँ जी आगे दिखाइए. Steve Harvey. Mr. Harvey.
I think he's hilarious. And
Yes,
his
he really is.
And his comments and I think he's written a couple of books even.
Yeah.
And I love how you know he's so all about woman empowerment.
Yep.
And all, and he sings praises for his wife and all. So not only a funny person but a great husband and a symbol that kind of promotes feminism.
He really is. He really
Yeah.
is. कमाल आदमी. कमाल. हाँ जी दिखाइएगा और. Steve Harvey. शहबाज शरीफ साहब. Prime Minister. Prime Minister
A
साहब.
very educated individual.
Yeah.
A very educated, well put together
Have you met him?
individual.
आप मिले हैं?
No. But from what I know, and I've been in his presence, I've never met him. But a very educated, well put together.
अच्छा मैं 2 मरतबा प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब से मिला और मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई.
Yeah.
आई थिंक थोड़ा जेंटलमैन. और सबसे बड़ी बात है एक दफ़ा तो इनके सामने एक प्रेजेंटेशन मुझे देनी थी तो मैंने वो दी. बैक देन ही वाज आई थिंक चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ पंजाब. तो उस वक्त जब मैंने वो प्रेजेंटेशन दी तो शायद जो लोग इनके साथ थे उन्होंने इतनी तवज्जो से नहीं सुना जितनी तवज्जो से
That's
इन्होंने
why I said
सुना.
he's very educated and very well put together. So आप जब बात करते हैं government and politics and this and that, and he's one of good examples because he's well put together.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
and-
दिखाइएगा. Do we have anything else? Oh, Jim Carrey.
I just look at him and I laugh. उसको देख के मुझे हंसी आता है. He's really funny. Yeah, he's funny. But I think I like his.
Okay, your favorite movie of Jim Carrey?
It's a horror movie. Remember when he's writing numbers?
Oh God! Yeah. I
That
remember
one.
that.
That उसका नाम क्या था जिसमें वो numbers दिखता है and he goes crazy about numbers. Something to do with 8 or 7 something.
Yeah. That.
It's that one.
अच्छा मुझे इसकी हमेशा से एस वेंटुरा जो सीरीज है वो बहुत
Yeah.
पसंद है.
But people mostly like appreciate him for his comedy.
हाँ.
I actually like him more for his serious work that he
Yeah,
has done
yeah,
because you
yeah.
see a very different side.
Of course.
And as an actor,
Of course.
who can do so many different roles.
He's amazing.
Yeah.
He's amazing. हाँ जी दिखाइए. और शोएब अख्तर.
the fastest bowler.
एंड माई ऑल टाइम फेवरेट, अगर
The
मुझे
fastest
किसी का
bowler.
एक नाम करना हो, दैट शोएब. एंड शोएब, wherever you are, I love you brother. I genuinely love you and may God bless you. May Allah may bless you always. और तुमने जो कुछ पाकिस्तान के लिए किया है, और मुझे कभी कभी हैरत होती है, शोएब के जैसे लोग, और शोएब को पाकिस्तान की सिलेक्शन कमेटी में भी होना चाहिए, उसको चेयर भी करना चाहिए, बिकॉज आई थिंक ही इज फिनोमिनल. ही इज फिनोमिनल. दिखाइए जी रणवीर सिंह.
A very good actor.
या ही
A
इज.
very good actor. I think what he has achieved as an actor is time frame mein remarkable.
Remarkable.
And I think the way what an actor should be, regardless of his fashion, love his fashion, regardless of that.
There's nothing wrong with his fashion.
No, I
think
said
it's amazing.
fashion के लिए तो मैं हर किसी को appreciate वैसे ही करता हूँ.
अच्छा, okay,
तो मैं तो
okay.
वैसे fashion
हाँ.
की तो appreciate करूँगा ही, but as an actor, the way he can play so many different roles.
यार मुझे इसकी एक पिक्चर याद नहीं, बिकॉज he's all out there ना.
Yeah.
आपको पता है, बहुत बहुत वाइड वो रोल करता है जो बहुत बहुत लाउड होते हैं. लेकिन इसने एक फिल्म की थी, मुझे उसका नाम याद नहीं आ रहा, जिसके अंदर वो बहुत ना एक बहुत नॉर्मल से उसने कैरेक्टर किया. सच अ ब्यूटीफुल फिल्म. मैंने वो प्लेन के अंदर देखी थी. आई डोंट नो व्हिच फिल्म इज दैट. आई थिंक वो भी वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट पे ही है कोई फिल्म, पर मुझे मालूम नहीं कि कौन सा उसका है, लेकिन इट्स जस्ट अमेजिंग फिल्म.
Yeah, and I like the way he can switch, from villain to lover.
Yeah.
And and that's what I like about him, and obviously a very fashionable person.
Of course. अच्छा जी, आगे. रोनाल्डो. हाँ जी.
GOAT, greatest of all time.
Yeah, he is.
Yep.
हाँ जी, दिखाइएगा. तेंदुलकर, सचिन तेंदुलकर. The greatest batsman ever
In India.
in India?
I would say in India. Yeah, because I think I'm not a big fan of cricket.
Okay.
So if I have to, I've not seen much of his. I'm sure he's good, but if he's the best of all time, I'm sure हमारे Pakistani cricketers can. They're good, just as good, I think,
All right.
if not better. Yeah.
दिखाइएगा. Ronaldinho, again. Not a big fan?
If I say I am, I'm in trouble. If I say I'm not, हमारी family is divided here.
अच्छा, दे-
Half of my family is a fan, half of it's not. Let me just say it like that. Say it
All right,
political.
that's it. We're done with that. We're done with that.
Play diplomatically.
No, but this is true though. ऐसा होता है. ब्राज़ील की वो टीम है जिसपे बाकी कुछ लोग ये कहते हैं कि यार हम ब्राज़ील के साथ हैं, कुछ लोग ये कहते हैं ब्राज़ील के साथ नहीं है.
Exactly.
I mean, it is unreal. हर वर्ल्ड कप के अंदर हमें ये उम्मीद होती है कि ब्राज़ील जीत जाएगा वर्ल्ड कप.
Yeah.
For some reason, I think it's because of Pele. I don't know if you know Pele or not. Pele was he was a footballer. और जाहिर है उसकी वजह से हम हमेशा यही सोचते हैं कि ब्राज़ील में जो सारे फुटबॉलर्स होंगे वो वैसे के वैसे ही होंगे जैसे पहले
okay.
था.
वो एक जजमेंट है, but actually by the way I really appreciate कि आपके slides में it was a good balance that you introduced, काफ़ी हमारे local जो.
Obviously.
But a lot of people don't do that.
Oh, अच्छा.
And they don't. They mostly like to, बाहर के, and which is also fine. I'm not against it, but it's good to promote our own people.
नहीं, जैसे मुझे लगता है कि मैंने शोएब से, या मैंने एक ऐसा सीन देखा है, हम अबू धाबी में थे एंड शोएब वाज विद अस. शोएब ऑस्ट्रेलिया के साथ खेल रहे थे, ऑस्ट्रेलिया के अगेंस्ट खेल रहे थे, और उसको पूरे स्टेडियम ने चेयर किया था. ही अलोन वाज एक्चुअली द मैच. ही अलोन. और मैं जिस ज़माने की बात कर रहा हूँ, उस ज़माने में ब्रेट ली भी हुआ करते थे, उतने ही फास्ट थे. But Shoaib was Shoaib and Shoaib is Shoaib.
Yeah, and I think for somebody जिसको क्रिकेट के बारे में इतना नहीं पता, even I know he's the fastest bowler.
तो